Tapestry Hall is a magical place. That's the easiest way to describe it. It's a full and comprehensive event venue.
It's historic and it's kept a lot of that appeal. It's a gorgeous space that allows for any type of event, from corporate to wedding to concert. It's just very conducive space for any type of function.
It has such historical aspects that bring you back to the past. It's just a buzz of the old and new coming together.
It's really been so interesting watching everything come together.
It's an events and entertainment district that we are developing and building.
In historic downtown Galt for showcasing arts and culture and tourism.
We believe in bringing the arts and community together and inspiring people through creativity.
It's a one-of-a-kind venue.
We're on the beautiful Grand River.
The events have been amazing, and I can only imagine what else we can do here.
I'd like to impact lives. We're in the experience business. We do completely from scratch cooking as much as humanly possible. You know, want to highlight local businesses and local farmers and just give people an experience that they haven't had in the area before. And then eventually we're going to develop the whole property. It's amazing, exciting, a couple restaurants, a market, a cafe, a couple bars. Down the end's our brewery called Foundry Brewing, amazing place. One of the reasons why I came here.
I live the dream every day. I make beer, I have fun, and I try and share my beer with people who are having the best days of their lives.
It's got very serious technology in it. It's got invention. It speaks in a light-filled way and surrounds us. The work that we're surrounded by here is called meander. Meander is an original name for the sinusoidal scouring and depositing forces of the river, the Grand River, the kind of continual shifting of energy that moves all around us. Rather than thinking of the world as something solid, where the only thing that really matters is whose side you're on, or what wall you've built, or whether you're up or you're down, the natural world tells us that things are all interwoven and that we can be deeply part of many, many different things together. And when you translate that through the forces of time and the shifting of energy all through our world, then you get these kind of lovely sinusoidal rhythms and shifting that are really embodied in this term, meander. So this is a kind of an essay, a story that's really a very hopeful one about where we are and where we can go together. This work came from some rather carefully framed ideas. People coming from science and engineering and from other art disciplines, all working together, in the sense that it could really be a kind of a gathering place, a place that could anchor really a whole neighborhood and even a region.
We built Tapestry Hall for the community, a place for it to come together and celebrate, a place to have fun in Cambridge, a place to throw big parties and concerts, a place to get married, a place to have a few drinks with friends. I grew up here and we were missing places like that. And so Hip Developments decided to build Tapestry Hall to celebrate.